My name is Charissa Deville and today I want to show you guys my favorite all-time trick called the floating bird. Alrighty, here we go. You're going to start with your palms facing outward on either side of the hoop. What you want to do is you want to twist, let go of the hoop like this, and then cross your arms over so that you're crossed over like this. It's a bit uncomfortable, but I promise you it'll be worth it. So when you get here, you're going to just do a little bit of a shuffle around and have your middle finger and index finger on either side of the hoop. The next thing you want to do is wave your hands at the same time. You will find that your shoulder blades will burn a little bit, but usually I only do this trick maybe 3 or 4 times and then move out of it. So, one more time. Facing outward, palms. Let go of the hoop, glide out, crossed over. Change your fingers, index and middle. You're gonna wave and have the hoop float up and down. Beautiful. One really good way to get into the floating bird from another trick is doing this kind of smear motion. And then you come forward and see how I go straight into that gliding, over and out kind of motion. We're going from smear, and then we're going to bring it in front of you and then cross your arms. We'll go back, and then all the way across to here, those fingers, and glide. Beautiful. Another really good way of getting into it is these ones. I call this like the hinging door. And then you go straight over. Oh, and a fakie. See that? And back into the floating bird. Awesome. I really hope that you got something from this tutorial because this one brings me so much happiness, and I really hope that I can give this to you and for you to bring it into your flow state. So yeah, if you end up doing it, send me videos. I really want to see.